Hi, I am Sachin Gorade from Nasik, and I am a founder and CEO of the Vision Life Care. Okay, and I would like to say that this masterclass is very useful. They learn about the near about 10 AI tools, which is very helpful in daily routine work or any other jobs. So please do this master class, and also I think they suggest for the new course, which is about prompt engineering, all about the AI, Power BI, generative AI, and coding also. So this is amazing, mind blowing, good for our wealth creation. Next job, take a job hike, just mind blowing.